Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can save credentials on computer in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to save credentials but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. So all you need to do is open your Steam app first, and once you're in Steam, make sure you're logged in. And after you're logged in, you just need to open your settings. So we're just going to use hotkeys to open settings for faster operations. So just use command and comma, and there you go guys, you have opened Steam settings. And once you're there, all you need to do is find security, which is right between family and notifications, and it is easily visible, so it's not that hard to find. So and after that, right at the top you can find account name, and if you want to change it, then you also need to change your password, and make sure you do that. And right below it you can find don't save account credentials on this computer. So if you turn this on, it will disable offline mode, so you can no longer appear as offline, and this is not what we need, so make sure this is turned off. So if it is turned off, you would successfully be able to save account credentials on the computer. So guys, that's how you save account credentials on the computer. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.